Hello my dear student, welcome back. Today we are discussing about the topic adverb and I have to explain about the adverb in a simple method. So you have to learn in a simple method of the adverb. So let's start the video and know more thing about the adverb. First you can see here is the word adverb and what is the meaning of adverb. So it is made by the two words adjective and verb. Okay, there are two words that modify, it means composed of the two words, combined of the two words to make a adverb. The word is adjective and adverb. Adjective and verb. Okay, adjective is a describing word, okay, that describe about noun or pronoun, and verb is a action word. So when both are the word combined, then it made a adjective. For example, as first you see here the definition of the adverb. An adverb is a word which modify the meaning of a verb. Okay, which modify meaning of the verb, an adjective or another adverb. Okay, so you can see here the example. An example is I am drive the car carefully. Okay, so you know very well that here is the subject, verb, helping verb and object, and here is the word that is the left, and it word will be the adverb, and this word modify of the verb. Okay, it is the modify the meaning of the verb, just like that I have drive the car carefully. Okay, so I think you all understand about the meaning of adverb and the definition of our adverb. Okay, so next we know more thing about the adverb. Here is the some kinds of the adverb. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, and adverb of region. Okay, so we have to learn it one by one, all adverb. So listen carefully and watch out. So first is, you know very well that adverb is made by the two words adjective and verb. Okay, and it expresses the modifying meaning of verb. Okay, it is express the modifying or refer to modifying meaning of the verb. Okay, so verb is a important in the sentence, and when we use some word for the verb, some word for the verb, that word will be the use or express the modifying or express the meaning of the word, that word will be adverb. Okay, so first is adverb of manner. Okay, adverb of manner. Okay, adverb of manner, adverb of manner, and the definition of adverb of manner is just like that. Adverb of manner tell us how something happened. Okay, it means adverb of manner tell us how an action takes place. Okay, how how an action takes a place. Okay, for example, Charlie writes neatly. Charlie writes neatly. Okay, in this sentence, first you watch out the sentence carefully, and here the first word is the subject and it is the noun part. Okay, it is the noun part and subject, and second is verb. Okay, and after the getting the subject and verb, you have to get a separate word, and this word modifying of the verb. Okay, it is the express the meaning of the verb. It means what is the action and how method, it means in what kind of the method the action will done. Okay, so writes How he writes? He writes neatly. He writes neatly. So neatly word means used for a verb. It is not adjective. Okay, it is the adverb that express or modifying about the noun, modifying of the verb. Okay, so here is the right word. And how can Charlie writes? The Charlie writes neatly. Okay, so here is neatly word express the manner of the word. Okay, it expresses the manner of the word and it tells us how an action takes place. Okay, how a action how an action takes place. So here is the action. Here the action word is right, and the word is neatly. It expresses the how the action will taking. Okay, how the action will happen. So this word will be the adverb of manner. Okay, you are going, then how can you going? You going fast. Okay, you going fast. Speak, you are speaking, then how can you speaking? You are speaking slowly. So slowly word, neatly word, fast word, that word express the verb action. Okay, verb action and its manner. Okay, so each type of the word will be the adverb of manner. Okay, so I think you know very well about the adverb of manner. When a word in a sentence tell us how the action will complete. Okay, how the action will happen, and using the word to express this type of the method, how can the action will happen, and we used some of the word to express the action. So each word will be the adverb. Okay, and what kind of the adverb? It will be adverb of manner. That's clear. Now next is adverb of place. Adverb of place. Adverb of place. First we define the adverb of place. Adverb of place tell us where an action takes place. Okay, an adverb of place tell us where something happens. Okay, where something happens. For example, the bird flew away. The bird flew away. Okay, the bird flew away. So in this sentence you have to find out the word is a subject, it is the noun part, flew word is the verb, it is the action word, and here is the away. Away is a adverb. Okay, then how can you identify what kind of the adverb is a away? Okay, so you look here. Here is the subject, it means word doing a action. What is the action? Action is a flew. Okay, action is a flew, and where action will happen, and this action will happen away. Okay, so away is a place. Away is a place. It means a action will happen in a place, and when we use a word to express the place, and that word will be adverb of place. Okay, I take another example like a do come in. Do come in. Where he come? He come in. So in is a word that is the tell us a place. Tell us about a place. So this word will be the adverb of place. That's clear. And here is the bird flew. Where he flew? He flew away. So away is a word that express about a place, and so we can say that it is the adverb of place. Okay, it means when a adverb word to tell us about a place of the action word, it means verb, then it will be the adverb of place. Okay, so you can see here is the some example, and I will take another example just like that. Our principal has gone out. Our principal has gone out. Okay, where the principal gone out? Our principal has gone out. Okay, so out word is the express about a place. Okay, it is the express about a place. So this type of the word, just like that, in, away, out, etc., or the word will be the adverb of place. Okay, I hope you all understand about the adverb of place. Now next is adverb of time. Adverb of time. So in this phase, you look here. Here the time word. So this time word used as a adverb. Okay. First we look the definition of adverb of time. Adverb of time tell us when an action takes place. Okay. When an action take place. Just like that, I have done this before. I have done. I have done this before. This before. Okay. Before, late, never, today, tomorrow, etc. are the many words used in an English sentence. And when these words used as a adjective and it express about the time, then it will be the adverb of time. Okay, in a easily way we understand it. An adverb of time tell us when or at what time an action takes place. Okay, an action take place. You can see here, I have done this. Okay, I have done this before. So in this sentence you have to know that here is the word done is a action word, and what when it will be complete, it will complete before. Okay, it will complete it before. So this word, it means before word, will be the adverb. What kind of the adverb? It express the time when the work done, the the work done before. So this before word will express about a time, and then we can say that it will be adverb of time. Okay, I take another example just like the I met her today. I met her today. Okay. Okay, I met her today. In this example, you know that here is the I is the subject, met is a verb, and her here is the use for the object as a object, and today. Okay, today word is a different to the others. So this today word is expressed about a time. Okay, and it expresses that the when the work, when the time, when the action will held. Okay, when the action will completed. So here is today word will be the adverb word. Okay, why and what kind of the adverb? It will be the adverb of time. Why? Because this word express the time that the work will done. Okay, so I think you all understand about the adverb of time very well. Okay, so I think it is enough for you. uh, One time we revise it, Adverb is a modify of the two words adjective and verb. And adjective you know very well about that, it is the describing word, and verb is a action word. And when the adverb is a word which modify the meaning of a verb, okay, it means it modify the meaning of verb, it means it describe the meaning of a verb in a using the sum of the word, then it will be the adverb, okay. And this adverb have a different type, just like that: adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, and adverb of result, okay. And in the beginning we know about that adverb of manner. And adverb of manner that express the how an action takes place, okay, how an action take place, like he laughed loudly, the here is the doing action laugh, and how can it express, then it express about loudly, okay. So loudly what will be the adverb of manner. Second is adverb of place, and this many of the sentence when a word express about the place and it modify of the verb meaning, then it will be the adverb of place. For example, the bird flew away, and here the word has a verb. What is the verb? He flew, okay. And how can he flew? Where he flew away. So away word will be the adverb of place, okay. And third is the adverb of time. And in this adverb we have to know that how the adverb used as a refer to adverb of time, okay. And how to refer time, just like that: I see this film before. So before word is it express about the time, and it is also express for the modify the meaning of a verb. So this word will be the adverb of time, okay. So now it's complete, and in the other three parts we have to read in the next day. So thank you for the watching video.